Hi everybody, it's Jen, and this is an ASC auction house mini album. It's a pretty big mini album. Typically I put these up on my store. This one has an error in it. It's right here. You can see the glue, and I looked through my stuff and I cannot find any sterling silver that I wanted to put on this, so I'm leaving it as is and we're putting it up in the ASC auction group. This one is going to start at $50 because it's a biggie, and it also has a tassel, and there's lots of cool things on the tassel. There are some beads, there's lots of ribbon, some trim, some eyelash trim, some lace, and it is removable with a clip. Let me show you that here. And there is a ring there. This is an 8 by 8 by 3 inch spine, and I already did a reveal on this, so we're just going to go really fast through it. It has the sterling silver corners, metal, and then the front and back are made of the cloth, not paper, and it is a beautiful Cosmos Infinity collection. So I'm just going to pull out some of the tags and stuff, and this one is a biggie. I think that everybody will be looking at this one. So again, it's $50 starting. This one has 8 pages in it, but so many flips and flaps and pockets and pulls, like most of the albums when I start going. I just can't stop. But it's a really beautiful paper collection. It's got some belly bands. We have some extras here. These little cards that look like tarot cards. And it is a big, big album. So I think anybody would be happy to get this. It would be also good for a gift idea. And it's good for ladies of any age. Maybe even some guys. I love these cards. Lots of things to see here, so I'm just going to pull out some of them. Some doesn't open. Yeah, somebody was actually interested on it in the YouTube video. I'll try and find her comment. She asked if it was going to go up on my Etsy site, and I said yeah, but we're going to auction it off instead. So be sure you head on over. All the information is in the description box below. And my charity is Great Pyrenees Paws and Rescue, and this one will put me at the above $100 mark, and every time I hit $100, that's when I donate, unless there's a special like occasion or something. Sometimes they have special cases where a puppy needs something before beyond a normal donation, and I donate then too. So, but yeah, so it's for a good cause, and I'm starting this one at $50 because these cost about $20 to ship because they're big and heavy. And I'll be able to ship this out next week because I have another album that I need to ship out also. And the back page, I love this image here. And there you go. I guess this comes up just a little bit too. The glue didn't adhere down all that great to that one little spot there. So a couple errors on it, which, you know, it happens. It's made of paper. I'm a human. But yeah, so I wanted to give everybody an opportunity to bid on this. Again, it's ASC Auction House. And everything's linked down below, so go ahead and join, and you can get some really great deals on mini albums and other crafts from the ASC design team and the owner of ASC Supplies. So we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.